This is how to be a boss with an executor. Alright, let's go name some people with this executor. Alright, let's do this.
Tossing flash. Got a threat. He's done. ستكون على ما يرام.
This person's about to run around the corner.
Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Enemy flag acquired.
Somebody's died. Someone over me.
Shot out. Can confirm. ستكون على threat neutralized. Friendly warthog inbound. Your location. Stealth chopper inbound. Taking control. Capture the enemy flag.
Is I totally own with an execute. It's got to have this the right amount. And just have the right amount of guns. So slimming places falling apart. Oh, bloody skills. I'm just gonna try and get the last kill. Or with a 9.
Stealth chopper on standby.
Damn, I didn't get the last
Ready
kill.
for the next round.
I'll try next round. Well, I did get the last kill, but there you go.
Halftime.
Anyway, this is a good map for short range and all that. It's gonna rampage a bit. Lob on these.
Enemy combat.
Whoa. Whoa. Who's sniping?
Warthog awaiting orders. Our flag has been taken. We have the enemy flag. Our flag is secure. Confirm.
Oh, did you just see that headshot? Scary. Nothing much. Go here. Oh, it's just waterfall. Terrible long one. Then save in time. Doesn't matter. Kill your enemies.
Stealth chopper on standby.
So brass, I haven't died yet. Who cares? Just plan on shooting everyone with the execute.
Enemy down. Warthog awaiting orders.
It's had to be good training with execute. It took me a long time to get used to this. It's not very good at long range, that's the only bad thing about it.
We've captured the enemy
It's only
flag.
good for close range only. And it matters what kind of stuff you got with it.
Flash out.
And that's what really counts actually.
We have the enemy flag. Support. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment.
It matters at close range how much thing you got. Yeah, that's good over here.
We've captured the enemy flag.
It's good too.
Enemy spotted. Stealth chopper on standby.
get this.
Friendly Warthog inbound. Overlord 1-2 is being friendly stealth chopper inbound. Friendly hunter killer coming through. Good strike.
Whoa.
Number 3, EKIA. Target affirmed. Guns, guns, guns. Warthog 1 good kill.
Trying to get a final kill, but this is absolutely failing miserably.
That's your target at 100 meters, bearing 170. Good impacts on target immediately. Shot out! Our flag transmitting EKIA.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Affirm, Overlord 1-2 has your target at 150 meters, bearing 230. Good hits. Negative EKIA. Objective achieved. Good work.
Anyways, you need the 17 thing for this. Is my 6 perks I use it. Lightweight, hardline, scavenger, fast hands, climb faster, and walk fast. Combat acts like I need it. Well, I don't really like that, but I use Syntax instead. 2 flashbangs and fast mag for that. Use them, and my colour for my knife is either that, I don't even know. Basically just use any. Basically, yeah. Well, that's the whole point. Okay, that's all. Goodbye. This is, and please subscribe to my channel, Extreme Game Review. It's very important to me. Thank you for watching.